Namaskar, I am Dr. Amit Bharadwaj. I welcome you all for India Meteorological Department weekly weather discussion on today, 4th of June. Now, if we talk about today's major highlight, you can see that the southwest monsoon has set in our Kerala region as of today, 4th of June 2026. So, as you can see in the blue line, the southwest monsoon has further advanced into the remaining parts of southwest and southeast Arabian Sea and some parts of west central and east central Arabian Sea, the entire Lakshadweep areas, island, Kerala and Mahe, some parts of Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. And also you can see if you go the remaining parts of the Comorin area, southeast Bay of Bengal and some more parts of southwest, west central, east central and northeast Bay of Bengal as of today. So the conditions are becoming favorable for further advancement of this monsoon isochrone line to some more parts of the central Arabian Sea, entire Goa, some parts of the Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, some more parts of the Karnataka and the remaining parts of Tamil Nadu, southwest Bay of Bengal and some more parts of west central, east central, northeast Bay of Bengal and some more parts of northeastern states of during next 2 to 3 days. The normal date of onset of Kerala is 1st of June. This is a climatological date. So it is the onset on Kerala today which happened, which is 3 days after the normal date. Now if we talk about last week various synoptic system, we can see various systems. So we have just summarized them. The western disturbance which normally influence the northwest of India during the last week while moving northeastward causes a large scale thunderstorm and activity over North India. There were multiple upper air cyclonic circulation and associated trough which persisted over north, east and central India, which affect the region over Punjab, Uttar Pradesh to Bihar, Odisha, Assam, Gangetic, West Bengal. These systems supported enhanced convective activity and widespread rainfall and thunderstorm condition over many parts of the country. There were also several cyclonic circulation and trough remains active over Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, which favoring the strong convective activity over southern peninsula of India and nearby the oceanic region. Now, due to those systems, there was a widespread thunderstorm, lightning and rainfall activity which was observed over most part of the country, which included, you can see in the first figure, the eastern, northeastern and peninsula of India during the last week from 28th of May to 3rd of June. And there are also, we observed the hailstorm activity, which you can see that mostly of northwest of India and some parts of central India where hailstorm activity was also been observed during the last week. Now, if we talk about the temperature, due to this large scale thunderstorm activity, the heat wave spell abated from the country since 31st May due to the large scale thunderstorm activity in association with the active western disturbance. The maximum temperature, the highest temperature which was observed was 47.5 degrees Celsius has been recorded over Banda, which is in Uttar Pradesh on 28th of May during the last. Now, if you talk about this heavy rainfall, very heavy and extremely heavy rainfall. So heavy to very heavy rainfall was reported at isolated places over Bihar on 29th and 30th of May, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry and Karaikal on 29th of May and NMMT regions on 1st June, Lakshadweep on 2nd June, Andaman Nicobar Island, North Interior Karnataka on 3rd of June. These are the last week observed. Now, if we talk about the rainfall scenario during the last week and the season as a whole during the pre-monsoon time from 1st March to 31st of May. So, during the country as a whole, the weekly cumulative all India rainfall in percentage departure from its long period of average was reported minus 10%. All India seasonal cumulative rainfall percentage departure during this year pre-monsoon season, as we mentioned, is reported 1%. Today's weather system, which also been described in the midday daily video we have done. So there are various weather systems which are been observed. Due to that, there is a rainfall and lightning activity is been forecasted for week 1. So we'll be providing you the week 1 and week 2 forecast for 2 weeks for the rainfall. So if we summarize in words, the rainfall activity is likely to be above normal over Kerala region and some parts of South Interior Karnataka, Arunachal Pradesh, while it is the below normal over coastal Karnataka and Konkan and Goa and Gujarat, Odisha, East India and MMT region. So for the week 2, if you see, the rainfall is likely to be below normal over Kerala, Central India, East India, NMMT, Gujarat and Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, and it is likely to be above normal in Karnataka, Maharashtra and Telangana region. Now, if we talk about the forecast for next 2 weeks for the maximum temperature, there will be a gradual fall by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius in maximum temperature is likely over many parts of the northwest of India during 4 to 6th of June, and there will be gradual rise by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius during 7 to 9th of June. There will be no significant change in the maximum temperature likely over East India till 10th of June, except Bihar, where the rise in the maximum temperature by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius till 6th of June. There will be no significant change in the maximum temperature likely over rest part of the country till 9th of June. And if we talk about the week 2, the T maximum temperature is likely to be above normal over northwest of India, East India, northeast of India, central India and Gujarat regions. Now, if we talk about temperature heat wave forecast, so week 1 we already have discussed regarding the temperature scenarios. For the week 2, there is a low probability of heat wave condition likely over parts of northwest of India, Uttar Pradesh specifically, and parts of East India, which include Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal, joining central India, including the Madhya Pradesh on some days of the week 2. There will be no warm night condition likely during the week 2. Now, this provide the information about the cyclogenesis forecast for next 2 weeks. So there is no cyclogenesis forecast. The extended range picture has been provided. But considering the large scale features, climatology and the model guidance, we can infer that there is a likelihood of existence of upper air cyclonic circulation at 700 hectopascal over Goa and adjoining East Central Arabian Sea, which is likely to move northwestward during next 4 to 5 days towards northeast of South Gujarat and North Konkan coast with no further intensification. There is also an existing upper air cyclonic circulation over North Andaman Sea to move northwestward along Myanmar, South Bangladesh coast during next 3 days with no further intensification. There is also a development of a fresh upper air cyclonic circulation or a low pressure area over North Bay of Bengal towards the end of week 2. These are the information, detailed bulletin you can actually download from the IMD website, and you can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram to get the updated information. So that's all for today. Namaskar. Dhanyawad.